Remove all packaging materials. Save the carton and foam packaging for storage when the air conditioner is not in use. Remove the adhesive backing from the mounting blocks and place them on the window frame. Press down firmly to secure them in place. The mounting blocks are now ready to support the air conditioner. Lift the unit both sides and carefully place it into the window opening. Slowly lower the unit so it straddles the wall. Keep your fingers clear and lower the unit fully onto the window sill. Clockwise rotate the rubber pad of adjustment screw until the unit is locked against the wall. Then counterclockwise rotate the check nut until it is locked to the unit. Use the gradienter to ensure the unit is level when secured on the window sill. Align and paste the filling foams to both sides of the unit. Measure the distance between the filling foams and the sides of the windowsill. Cut the ceiling foam to the appropriate length. Install the ceiling foams between the pre-installed filling foams and the sides of the windowsill, ensuring a seal between the unit and the windowsill. Measure the width of the bottom of the window. Cut the top filling foam to the required length. Attach the top filling foam to the bottom of the window. Pull down the window to seal the unit. Installation is complete. Plug in the unit. After plugged in, all the indicators will light up once. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the mode button to switch between operating modes cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat. The corresponding indicator will light up. Note the heat mode is only available on this model. Press the plus or minus buttons to adjust the set temperature. Press and hold the button can adjust quickly. Press the wind speed button to select low, medium, high or auto wind speed gear in sequence. The corresponding indicator will light up. Press and hold the wind speed button for 3 seconds in the cool or heat mode to switch to the extra mode. A 3-second countdown will appear on the display. The extra indicator will light up afterward. To exit the extra mode, hold the wind speed button again for 3 seconds. Press the sleep button in cool or heat mode to enter sleep mode. The corresponding indicator will light up. After a few seconds, all indicators will turn off. Press any button to illuminate the display, and press the sleep button again to exit sleep mode. Press the timer button to enter the timer setting mode. The display will show H. Then press the plus or minus button to adjust the timer within a range of 0 to 24 hours. Within 0 to 10 hours, each press adjusts the time by 0.5 hour. Within 10 to 24 hours, each press adjusts the time by 1 hour. Press and hold the button can adjust quickly. After the setting is completed, the display will flash 5 times and then return to showing the set temperature. The timer indicator will remain on, indicating that the timer has been set. If you want to cancel the timer, press the button to enter the timer setting mode and decrease the timing to 0. Press and hold the timer button to turn off the display. A 3-second countdown will appear on the display. Press any button to illuminate the display. Press the swing button to turn on the vertical swing control. Press again to stop the oscillation. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn on the horizontal swing control. Press and hold 3 seconds again to turn off. Press and hold the up and down buttons for 3 seconds to switch the unit of temperature. Press and hold the timer and wind speed buttons for 3 seconds to turn on or off the child lock function. When the child lock function is activated, all buttons are locked and cannot be operated. Press and hold the timer and sleep buttons for 3 seconds in the cool mode to turn on or off the eco mode. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds when the unit is powered on or off. A beep will sound, the unit will power off and reset to factory settings. When the unit is powered on, press and hold the sleep button for 3 seconds to reset the filter usage time. The filter replacement prompt icon will go out and the calculation will start again. Most functions of the remote control are the same as those of the control panel, except for the sleep button and the display off button. Press and hold the sleep button for 3 seconds to turn on or off the mute function. Press the display off button to turn the display and light strip off or on. Press and hold this button to turn on or off the child lock function. Unscrew the drain cover and pull out the filter. The water will flow into the water container automatically. After the water is completely drained, reinstall the filter and screw back the drain cover. Clean the surface of the unit with a damp, soft cloth. Do not use chemical solvents such as alcohol or gasoline, as this may damage the surface of the air conditioner or even the entire unit. Reach your fingers into the air inlet grills to gently open them and remove the filter screen. Clean the filter screen in clean water or water mixed with neutral detergent. Rinse it thoroughly and dry it in a cool place. Reinstall the filters back.